Today, I had the privilege of judging alongside many distinguished guests at the 17th Centennial edition of Taste of St. Croix. The beauty of our little rock blows me away every day, but today I witnessed all of the diverse culinary talents that it has to offer, alongside the beautiful people and their warm, smiling faces. Taste is the biggest culinary event of the year and is definitely not to be missed. It's a melding of Crucian culture, island spirit, and incredible food. Hi, ladies.
Keep it in local, keep it in Irie, and back to work.
It's everything you need. You need it, but you want it, but you gotta have it because it's needed. Black magic.
More fire. More fire for the camera. More fire.
The dessert to the entire fair is being part of the winner's circle. Taste is a definite must-see. The soul of the island is tremendous and tangible, and the food and people will leave an imprint in your heart forever.